Hello. Hey, I'm really tired. I'm exhausted. So I've got so much stuff from the last. I don't know if it's from 1 week or 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks, but I'm not gonna like get into it. I'm not gonna like talk and yak like I usually do. I'm just gonna show. I'm not gonna give you the story of. Oh, I remember I got these. I have to for this though. I went up to Taylor, who has been like nothing for 13 days. Then last Thursday I went there and I just lucked out. I felt sick at school. I took the second half of the day off. And I just went to Taylor because they didn't have cards for 13 days. Sure enough, the lady was stocking. So I was like second in line. I don't know. Oh, you know what? I don't think I showed that. I think it's here on the couch. So today I got nothing. Since that day, it's been 10 or 11 days of nothing. So I went there. I got in line. I bought like milk and whatever, apples, cucumbers, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, whatever they're called. And I was so pissed because they don't have anything. And the lady's like, well, don't you want these? And I'm like, nah, I don't want them. And then she said they're like 99 cents, or let's see here, 49 cents. And I was like, all right, I'll take them. Team sets. And I grabbed a 90-cent 6-sticker pack. Oh, ooh, it's down to 88 cents. They lowered their price for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, so, all right, that, I promise, that's the only one I'm going to talk in detail about. It's just so stupid. All right. I've got a bunch of these. I got a bunch of their blaster boxes, too. How about this? Panini, Contender. This one here is the basketball. This one here is the football, but it's the rated, the draft picks. I can't even. Oh shit! I almost dropped them. Hey, like you care. All right. 2 packs of Chronicles. I don't even remember from where. Receipts, which I don't care. Put all this crap inside this. Oh, good. I'll put all this crap inside this bag. Take my 2 pens out of the bag that I almost left on my boss's desk today after I took them out of my pocket to use them, and then I almost forgot to be like, hey, aren't they your pens? I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm a moron. Okay, sorry that I'm a moron. You start laughing. Please be the Charizards. Yes. I'm not sure which one it is. Once I went there and I saw Charizard theme decks. Sorry. So, of course, I hid 2 of them. There were 6 of them. I figured, I'd let the people oh, this must have been the second time I went, because first time I got Mosaic Soccer, some asshole came there, like 20 boxes. The guy comes over and takes like 6 of them. And I'm like, you can only get 2. Oh, I'll just say they're for my wife. Yeah, like your wife wants to buy Mosaic Soccer. Okay. Not sure where I got it, but there you go. Footballs are good. Do not buy the baseball ones. They are not even worth the frickin' $1. 100 and some cards and horrible. That's Wilkes-Barre Walmart. That's about the only thing they're selling over there. They'll sell hockey and that's it. I could take 2. Yeah, I know. But since I was at the other Target up in Dixon City and they let you take 2 of each thing, 2 hockey and 2 Pokemon, I figured I would try it. Oh, security gonna come over and get you. I said, security isn't gonna do crap. I just wanted to see if it would work, since it worked at other Targets. League Battle. I'm like, what the hell is their basketball on a Pokemon? It's a sticker. I got basketball stickers. I kept going out to Tunkhannock and I didn't have anything for like 4 or 5 days in a row. I bought a sticker album and some sticker packs. And the girl's like, "Oh, I can only give you one." I'm like, "Why?" I'm like, she's like, "I don't want to get fired." I'm like, "You're not going to get fired for giving me something that no one's going to buy." I said, "I'm only buying this just to buy something. Since I collect everything anyways, I might as well buy some basketball sticker albums." Let's go down here too. Okay. All right, let's just do this quick. Pokeballs. I got all the stuff at Pittston after the guy cleaned out all the mega boxes. I figured, you know what? I'll go in there and clean out all the goddamn Pokemon stuff. I don't even know where this is from. Oh, this is from Target when they still had. These are French. These are French. They're French frickin' tins. I got 2 of them. Morons. No one bought them. They were sitting on the shelf for days. For over a week. I didn't know the Target was selling. So I went in and just snagged them all. I don't even know what things. I know they're Shining Fates, but I don't know. One's a Cramorant, and then there's an Eldegoss, but they left. That guy he bought all the cards, and everyone got pissed. I didn't get there for 5, 6, 7 hours after he did this, and everyone was so mad nobody bought any Pokemon stuff. So I got 4 of them. I think this one's a Dortmund. I'm sorry, Boltund. I always mess his name up. Yeah, 2 Boltunds. A cute green puppy dog. I was like, wow, I couldn't believe how much stuff was still there, but the way my buddy missed it by 8 minutes. 8 minutes, and the guy he bought everything. He like 10 mega boxes of Select, 10 mega boxes of Prism, 10 mega boxes of whatever the heck it's called. Oh, I'm gonna wind up wrecking this guy. Get the hell out of here. God. I bought them just because they were there. I figured, you know what, they're $4.99. hanger boxes of opening day. Why not? I mean, I know I don't want to say garbage or worthless, but I know. But it's less than $5. Why not? Why not? Okay. Oh my God. 8 minutes in already. My God. Cramorant. That's what I thought it was. Oh, I forget what his name is. Edegras. But these tins I hear are selling for like 60 some bucks on the internet. I'll take it. I'll take that any day. I was gonna save that one for last, but I just want to get this done over with. 2 more of those Elite Trainer things, Elite Battle decks. They get some really good cards in here. People are going crazy for these. I don't even know how much they are. I forget what I paid for them. I wanted to say 30 or 40, but I'm really not sure. What is this? When I got gas up in Tunkhannock. $29.98 plus tax. Let's go for like $31.50. 31.60, 31. Now I want to know. So stupid. The way my brain works with numbers, it drives me crazy if I don't see what this is. All right, it's 31.73 after taxes per battle deck or whatever they're called. If this was the bag I was going to save for last. I don't know why I was going to save it for last, but Oh, I know. Oh, okay. This was that day when I went up. I just went up. I just went up to Dixon City. Got 2 Charizard theme decks, 2 Mosaic Soccers. They let you buy 2 of each or 2 of whatever, 2 sports, and they're such morons. Oh, we don't. And not the Dixon City ones. I like the Dixon City store and the people there. They're good. But just Target in general. Oh, we're going to let you have 2 of each thing, but we're not going to sell baseball, basketball, or football. Morons. How stupid. Some bitch start fucking, excuse me, some girl start arguing with me. Like, I was trying to explain to her that Dixon City lets you take 2 Pokemon, 2 of any sports or whatever. And she wouldn't even let me talk. She like cut me off like a rude, ignorant bitch. And where the hell did I get these at? I don't even remember. Maybe the big H. Really? You piece of garbage. Maybe that's why you're all busted up, because you're a moron. Man, I could tell I'm all irritable. I think this was Hazelton. Yep. I love those score decks, but my God. They're the flimsiest hanger packs I ever seen. Alright. So, because that girl was being a freaking idiot with me, I went back, even though I would have waited till the next day. She wanted to be an idiot with me. I went back. And I got French tin and a French pack. Same day. Ooh, are you going to arrest me? The Gestapo? The Nazi police? The Target police is going to come after me because I got 4 in one day? Ooh. But she was acting like a total idiot. I said to her, stop. Hey, are you going to let me finish my sentence? Because I was talking and she ignorantly cut me off like a bitch. And I said, you don't know what you're talking about. I said, I'm just experimenting. I said, you can't get answers around here. Like, I wanted to tell her she's a Nazi bitch, but I didn't. And it's not really her fault. They're like scaring them into doing it. Like, I had some chick up in Tunkhannock say to me, well, I better only give you 1 sticker. I don't want to get fired. I'm like, yeah, like you're going to get fired that you sold something. I'm thinking to myself, okay, every time they act like idiots like that and they don't want to sell, I'm willing to buy something off you. If you're afraid to sell it, then F you. Like, ridiculous. It was so stupid. Those are 2 Bowman mega boxes, by the way. Oh, this is stuff I got at a Rite Aid. Whole bunch of those airborne. Sold them for $4. I got them 6 of them for 75 cents each. And a bank, $10.99. But the bank and the airbornes and the Coke and whatever the heck else I bought. Bank, airbornes, Coke. Okay, I thought I bought something else. Basically got it for free. I got all that stuff. Oh, yeah. I would have got it for 37 cents. It would have cost me 37 cents for all this until I bought the Coke. Then it cost me $1. Cost me $1.63 for all that stuff. The bank was like $10. I got it for free, and I really like it. I've been looking for one of those. All right, I'll get you next time. Second video.